All right, welcome to 5210 Bronco Court in Florence, Montana. Brand new home built by Schrock Construction, listed by Courtney Ferguson with Engel and Volkers. Check out this great neighborhood, One Horse Estates, brand new subdivision, amazing mountain views there. The Bitterroot Mountains looking west and south. Give you a little walkthrough of the house, Highway 93 right here. It's heading south that direction. Brand new home built in 2023, completed in 2023. Just over 1,600 square feet. 3-bed, 2-bath. Got a fully finished garage here. Looks like you could probably sneak in 2 vehicles. Really like these homes and how they've done these. They've got the furnaces and water heaters off the garage. So a nice little room. As you can see, there's no steps all the way through, so single level living. High quality construction. You've got wood beams there. I'm distracted by the views. Just so gorgeous here from the front. I'll walk you in. As you come in, to the right is laundry. Nice cabinetry here. Nice little seating bench for shoes and coats. And you can sneak into the garage from this direction right here. As you can see, fully finished. Nice lights up above, a little extra deepness to the garage if you have a longer vehicle there. Really nice, looks like it's vinyl flooring all throughout here. So you walk in and you get the hallway to the kitchen and living room. Off to the left you have a full bathroom and 2 secondary bedrooms. Really nicely staged, so a lot of this stuff won't come with the home, but it's been staged to sell, and they did a really great job putting this together here. Nice neutral toned walls, large closets. As you can see here, larger wood trim. Looks like it's about 4 or 5 inches. See, bathroom here. Granite for the countertops, nice mirror, really open. Love the windows. When you're down in the Bitterroot Valley, just the mountains down here are incredible, so great to have those views. Shower there. The additional secondary bedroom. Again, nice windows, lots of space, large closets. Like this too, so to the washroom and garage, you've got the sliding barn doors, so the doors aren't taking up too much space. Additional closet there. As you walk in, vaulted ceiling, so even though it's a little bit smaller of a home, 1,600 square feet, the tall ceilings in the main kind of living and dining area just give it a great feel that you're not too compacted. Kitchen is gorgeous. Granite counters here. I love when homes put together and they've got underneath the island, the cabinetry can be used. So there's spaces there to put stuff, kind of hide things that you might need there. Lots of large cabinets, lots of space, really high-end appliances. You've got, I think, 6 burners on the gas stove here. So this does have natural gas. The home also has a well and community sewer system, so everything that you need. Really easy maintenance-wise at these homes out here at One Horse Estates. Sneaking back to the front door, nice potential dining area. See, this is where you'd put a TV and kind of living room activities out here. Tracking around to continued kitchen. Again, really nice staging. I love this tile. You can see it's kind of textured to it, glassy on the front, but there's good texture and it gives really elegant feel to the kitchen. Great fridge, slide out freezer. Again, cabinets on this side and the back side of the island. Nice deep black sink, I love that, it doesn't look dirty. Off to, this is the north side, you've got the slider to this back door. Really great here, concrete patio. Covered with lights back here, so ready for furniture, ready for your outdoor activities back here. Great for animals too. So subdivision does have covenants. You can have up to 2 dogs and 2 cats, so Bring your pets here. Frost-free spigot. Nice views back here, fence, and it kind of goes all the way around. Take you back into we'll go to the primary bedroom and primary bathroom ensuite. Sneak on through here. So nice kind of continued flooring. It's pretty consistent all the way through. Getting nice windows, letting the light in. Nice slide-in barn door again, so the doors aren't taking up too much space. Outlets on both sides of what could be the bed here for the nightstand. Really high quality tile in the bathroom here. Is the ensuite bathroom. Again, granite counters, lots of cabinet space, his and hers, mirrors and sinks. Large walk-in shower here. Really well done. Always love when there's a built-in shelf. Here, nice tall walls. You've got a full walk-in closet with lots of space. Shelving, and then an individual kind of toilet room here. And always nice to have a door that can close so people can use different portions of the bathroom at the same time. And circle them back around. So really well done home. Again, ready to move in. Single level living, brand new in 2023. 5210 Bronco Court, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,600 square feet. Currently offered at $699,000. Again, listed by Courtney Ferguson. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer those. Give me a call anytime, and hope you have a great rest of your day.